So we are doing cubes and cube roots. Okay, so what is cube? So cube means when we multiply the number 3 times by itself, then the product will be called as the cube of the number. So for example, cube means like square was power 2, right? So cube means power 3. Okay, so cube of 2 will be equal to 2 cube, means 2 to the power 3, because cube means power 3. So power 3 means we have to multiply 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay, similarly then what is 5 cube? 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. Okay, so cube means we are multiplying the similar number 3 times. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, so I hope it will not be very hard to understand. Okay, so then let us go through the properties of cubes. Okay, so they are very important. Okay, please keep it in your mind. Okay, so the first property is cube of all odd numbers are odd. Okay, so if you find the cube of odd number, it will be odd. For example, see, 1 cube is 1, 3 cube 27. See, all the numbers are odd. So if you try to find the cube of a odd number, then the answer will be odd. Then the next property is cube of, similarly, all even natural numbers are even. Okay, cube of even numbers will be even. Then cube of negative will be negative, unlike in squares, because in case of a square, minus 3 square was how much? Minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, so minus into minus plus, so 3 3 is a 9. See, plus 9. So whether positive or negative, the square, so this one is not cube, it's a square. Okay, in case of a square, the answer will be positive, no matter about the sign. If it is minus or plus, answer will be always in positive in case of square. Okay, but in case of cube, if the question is in negative, then answer is negative. If it is positive, then answer is positive. Okay, minus 2 cube will be minus 8, but 2 cube will be plus 8. Okay, so that is the case. And next two are also easy. Okay, they are actually simply laws of exponent. If we try to find the cube of the rational number p by q, then it will be cube means is meant for both numerator and denominator, that is p cube by q cube. Okay, and the last one is, if I will try to find a cube into b cube, then I can also find it as a into b whole cube. So this is also the law of exponent, isn't it, which we have already done. Okay, so let us move to the exercise. Okay, so which one is very easy. Okay, you have to use these properties and do your homework, and you have to find the cubes of the following. So this one is very easy. I think you can do. Okay, so this also you have to find the cube. How will you find is, you will first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then you will find the cube of this, which is numerator cube divided by denominator cube, isn't it? Because that cube is meant for both numerator and denominator. Okay, and then you will again convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so this you can do. Okay, and yeah, number 2, which of the following numbers are cubes of even number? So these it's very easy, because you know the cube of an even number is even, isn't it? So this one is even, means this is a cube of even number. This one is odd, so it is not. It is a cube of odd number. And this one is also odd, so this is a cube of odd number. As we already know, the cube of even number is even and the cube of odd number is odd. Okay, so in this way you can do question number 1 and 2 as your homework. Okay, so in next class, okay, we will try to find the cube root. Okay, and let me tell you one thing. So square root, in last class, okay, in the previous topic, we learned how to find square root. So square root is just opposite of square, isn't it? So for example, if the square of 2 is 4, then the square root of 4 is 2, isn't it? But what was the power for the square root? The power of the square root is 1 by 2. Okay, means 4 to the power half means square root of 4, or you can write it as 4. So root 4 means 4 to the power half. Okay, so similarly, if I ask you to find cube root, so cube root means, if, see, now you know 2 cube is 8, means cube of 2 is 8. Then just the opposite thing, cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, cube root of 8 is 2, like in a square root. Okay, but the power, so how will you write cube root? So power, cube root, you will write it like this, root, but here you have to write 3. Okay, so cube root of 8 is, so this is how you will write the cube root. And what is the power? Cube root means power 1 by 3. So this means 8 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so square root means power half, and cube root means power 1 by 3. Okay, so there are many, in your book there are 3 methods to find the cube root. Okay, but we'll do only 2. Okay, that is by successive subtraction, like we did for the square root, and the prime factorization method, okay, which is similar to the square root. Okay, so we'll do this 2 methods to find the cube root in the next class. Okay, and till then you do your homework and submit it in the group. Okay.